In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Opera browser data. Specifically, we're going to make a safe copy of your bookmarks so you can restore them later or move them to another device. This is quick, reliable, and uses Opera's built-in export tool, so you don't need any extra software. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Opera icon, the red O that opens the main menu. This menu is where Opera keeps most of its tools and settings, including the option we need for backing up. In the menu that appears, move your cursor to the Bookmarks section to expand it. From there, click Export Bookmarks. Opera will gather all of your bookmarks and folders and prepare them as a single HTML file. This format is widely supported, which means you can bring your bookmarks into Opera again later or even into other browsers that accept bookmark imports from HTML. A save window will open so you can choose where to store the backup file. Pick a location you'll remember, like Documents, Desktop, or a dedicated Backups folder. For clarity, consider giving the file a clear name such as Opera Bookmarks Backup and add today's date so you know exactly when it was created. When you're ready, click Save. Opera will create the file in the folder you selected, and your bookmarks are now safely backed up. That's the entire process. A few helpful tips as you wrap up: keep your backup somewhere safe, ideally in a cloud drive or on an external storage device, so it's protected if your computer has issues. If you use multiple profiles or devices, repeat this export whenever you make big changes to your bookmarks so your backup stays current. And if the menu looks slightly different on your system, don't worry, Export Bookmarks is still inside the Bookmarks area of the Opera menu. You now have a clean, portable backup of your Opera bookmarks, ready whenever you need it.